Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can backup all of your data from Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram account and then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. After that, scroll down till you find the option Your Activity, so just click on it. After that, scroll all the way down and click on this option Transfer Your Information. Next, you have to just click on Next, and after that you can either select all your stories and posts that will transfer the information you created and that's displayed on your profile or archive, and the other is some of your stories and posts. Choose what you want to transfer based on a range of dates. Means you can either do it for all or you can either do it for custom. I want to do it for all, so I'm just going to click on Next. After that, you can select the destination where you want to backup it to and select any of it, either Google Photos, Dropbox, Cooper, Photobucket, Backblaze, B2. Select any of it and then select how often you wish it to backup, either once, daily, monthly or yearly, and then click on Save. And after that, when you click on Next, all of your data from Instagram would be on automatic backup if you choose it daily, monthly or yearly, or it would just backup eventually if you just choose it once. So that is how you can backup your Instagram data. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.